Hey guys, it is Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsey, and I'm here today with a really cute and cool craft. We're going to be taking vintage spindles and making them into really cute carrots for your spring decor. So I hope that you'll stick around to the end, and make sure you drop us a comment if you don't mind. All right, let's get crafting. Here the junk hunk is helping me with his Sawzall get some of these smaller spindles out that I wanted to use for today's craft. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab a drill and go ahead and drill just a small hole. We're going to be putting some greenery in here at the end. So you just want to drill, maybe 1/4 of an inch and just make a little hole with your drill. It's pretty easy to do. Next up, we're just going to grab a paintbrush and start painting. We're not looking for full coverage. Now I've just used some craft paint here, but you can use any kind of paint that you have left over. If you have some orange paint that you have left over from another project, if you have craft paint, if you have milk paint, which hey, if you would like to purchase some milk paint, we actually sell it over on our website at reclaimedbyramsey.com. Anyway, you're not going to look for full coverage here. You're just going to want to put on maybe 1.5 coats of paint. It's totally fine if you can still see some of the wood through it, because we want it to look aged and chippy when we're all finished. Ta-da! It's starting to look like a carrot, right? You're going to want to let your carrots dry completely and then just get some sandpaper and just distress them to your liking. I like things pretty chippy and distressed, but you could full on paint these completely and not have them distressed at all. Just depends on what your decor style is. Mine's pretty rustic, chippy farmhouse. That's kind of my go-to. But you can just distress them to however you like. Next, you just want to get your glue gun, and into that very little hole that we drilled in the end, you just want to put a dab of glue, and then you can use any kind of greens that you want. I experimented with a couple different kinds. Don't be afraid to cut up greenery that you have laying around your house or that you can find inexpensively to do a project. Now just grab some twine. I get mine at the Dollar Tree because it's inexpensive. You're just going to put a little bead of hot glue and then twist it around until you think it looks like the top of a carrot. I did mine enough to cover where the glue went in and the little bit at the top, and I think the carrots look great. Wait till you see them, guys. They look so cute. So guys, what did you think? Pretty great craft, right? So if you liked that and you want to order a craft box kit, we can send them to your grandkids, we can send them to your sister, your daughter, your friend, whoever. You can just hop on over, get that pun there for Easter. You can just hop on over to our website at reclaimedbyramsey.com. The craft kit will actually include the spindles. They will already be drilled, so you don't need a saw, you don't need a drill. All you'll need is a glue gun. We will provide everything else that you need in your craft kit. You will get your carrots, the twine, the greenery, the paint. So guys, thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed today's video, please do the liking and the clicking and the sharing. You know we love that around here. And until next time, this is Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsey. Bye-bye.